This is definitely, I better put this strap so I can lose the camera here. This is definitely going to be a December to remember here. Right now, winds gusts are kicking up to, looks like about 60 miles an hour. So you can see some of the trees around here. There is no power west of us or north of us. You can see a few flashing lights here and there. Well, there goes something. Maybe that was a transformer that just went boom. And then once this is over with, we could get into a cold spring and some snow. So there might be some people without some power for a while here. Well, you can see way over there in the distance, there's some power over there, but it looks like this is kind of a scattered outage around here, although this area is kind of on a funny corner. Some light. So you can get some of the trees in here. I can't tell from the screen here. You can see the trees earlier. Oh, there's a flash of light there. Oh, there we go. Now we lost power. Very nice. Okay. Now there you go. You saw the kaboom. Now we're out of power. Okay.